Hello YouTubers, this is an extended review on the Lenovo Legion T730. We have had this gaming PC now for about a week, and mostly my kid has been the one playing video games on it because it is designed for video gaming. So far, he is enjoying the responsiveness of this PC after having moved from a Xbox One to the Legion here, which has a GeForce RTX 2080 Super video card, as you can see there. Now, as far as video gaming performance, he's able to get approximately 144 frames per second at a resolution of 2560 by 1440, and more demanding games, that is playing Fortnite. More demanding games, they play just about nice, no freezing. Recently, I have been testing video editing. Like I'm trying out the free video editing software, Mobabi Video Editor right now, and I am editing a video, which is taking right now approximately 10 minutes have passed. As you can see there, 6 plus 4, approximately 10 minutes. And the CPU usage right now is at 27%. Keep in mind, this is an i9 9900K Intel. And the video card again is an RTX 2080 Super. Now, the first week I got it, it came with, as far as the operating system, it came with Windows 10 Home Edition. And since I do also work from home, I remote work from home, I went ahead and upgraded to Windows 10 Professional. So I happened to get a license online, very affordable license. I think it was like about $29, and I was able to upgrade. As you can see here, I upgraded the operating system, and now I have access to additional utilities that I need, such as remote desktop and installing additional software that requires to have a professional version of this operating system. So as you can see there, this Legion is on Windows 10 Pro. Now, as the pre-configured unit at Lenovo does not offer a professional version of this operating system, and I mean, that's fine as long as we can always update it. After all, it's just an operating system, and again, if you don't like Windows, you can do a dual partition and install many versions of Linuxes out there. I do not know if you're going to have the same experience as far as if you desire to get this PC for the purposes of video gaming. You perhaps are not going to have the same experience if you're on Linux, because Linux is limited as far as gaming, but it is catching up. On my other laptops here, like this ThinkPads, I do have a dual boot. The good thing about the Legion, though, is that you can install an additional hard drive. Like here, the master SSD is actually a PCIe 1 terabyte solid state drive, and the a slave drive of another 1 terabyte, but it's a physical disk of rotating disk at 7200 RPM. But I can update that to a solid state drive as well if I wanted to get more performance. But so far, I'm not experiencing any slowdown of any type. Now, the video editing I'm doing now is being decoded now on the regular SSD, the 7200 RPM regular SSD, and not on the solid state drive. That may be the reason why I do see here perhaps a performance drop, or perhaps it could have decoded this video at a faster rate. I'm not sure about that. I'm going to include additional videos of my kid playing video games so that you can see the performance as far as frame rates and responsiveness. No ghost and freezing and any of that. Now, I'm not an expert in video gaming. Also, keep in mind that I have not been able to get a gaming monitor for my son as of yet, but I am in the process of doing that, and most likely I'm gonna have additional reviews with a better gaming a gaming monitor, because this is just an office. This is a ThinkVision office monitor, and it is rated at 59 hertz, and that's pretty much it. Okay, my video is done here. Let's see if I can play the file. So I'm gonna be, this is a test video out of Fortnite. This is using the utility having the Lenovo Bobby that it took approximately 10 minutes to decode the entire video. Now I will be providing additional videos. I'm gonna add a track here that showing my kid playing Fortnite. This is my kid now playing Fortnite at a resolution of 2560 by 1440, and he's getting consistent frame rates of approximately 144 FPS. I'm gonna bring the camera a little bit closer so that you can see the area of the FPS. So this is, in most of the cases, a consistent rate of 144. Now, if he does lower the resolution, he gets higher FPS, or he has the ability to just raise the rank up the FPS on Fortnite. Now, again, I'm not an expert on video gaming, but as far as contrasting the performance he was getting on his Xbox One, as far as he tells me, the PC, the Legion PC, hardly freezes. It has no freezing, no ghosting. It does complain here and there about the monitor, getting the gaming monitor, which we are in the process of doing so. But as far as performance, it is a powerful PC. It is very reliable, and he's not complaining of any drop frames or anything like that, which at some given points he would experience that with the aging Xbox One. Let me see if he's able to change the frame rates. Rank him up. Can you increase the frame rates, please? Okay, so they're gonna be jacked up to 240 now. Here is maybe jacked up to 240. Right now, FPS is at 240 frames per second. And this is at a 1440 resolution. We do have decent internet speed. We have fiber optics with AT&T. Thank you again, guys. This is Forza Horizon 4. Okay, so it's at 60. Let's change the frame rates to a little bit higher than 60 and to a little bit higher. Oh, 60 is the max at a resolution of 1920 by 1080. Okay, go ahead and leave it like that. And this is my kid playing Forza Horizon 4 on the Legion T730. The resolution now is 1920 by 1080, and the frame rate is 60 FPS. And this is how this Legion T730 behaves as far as performance and video quality on the RTX 2080 Super video card, and it has an Intel i9 9900K. So this is playing at 60 frames per second at 1080p. As far as cooling, I don't feel that much heat propagating out of the case. It has a good exhaust in the back, and I believe the intake is in the front. Thank you again, guys.